Smokeless tobacco, the manufacturing process. Step into the world of smokeless tobacco, where tradition and innovation blend to create a unique product. For centuries, skilled craftsmen have perfected the art of crafting rich, bold flavors that many enjoy. But have you ever wondered what happens behind the factory doors? Let's take a journey from seed to finished product and explore the fascinating process of making America's most popular smokeless tobaccos. The journey begins with sourcing high-quality tobacco leaves from renowned regions like Kentucky, Tennessee, and the Carolinas. Skilled farmers meticulously monitor their crops to develop the optimal balance of natural sugars and chemical properties essential for production. When harvest time arrives, precise timing is crucial. Every leaf must be carefully hand-picked at its peak maturity to ensure the best possible quality for smokeless tobacco production. After harvesting, the tobacco leaves are carefully transported to specialized curing barns where they're subjected to a precise curing process. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are meticulously controlled to coax out the leaves' natural flavors and aromas. The curing process can last several weeks, during which time the leaves undergo a transformation that enhances their complexity and depth. Some leaves may undergo additional curing methods, such as flue curing, where they're exposed to heat from a flue or pipe, or fire curing, where they're exposed to smoke from an open flame. Each curing method imparts distinct characteristics to the tobacco, ranging from sweet and mild to robust and earthy, ultimately contributing to the final blend's unique flavor profile. Once cured, the tobacco leaves are expertly graded according to their quality, texture, and flavor profile. Skilled tobacco graders carefully evaluate each leaf, separating them into distinct categories to ensure consistency in the final product. The leaves are then processed to remove the tough central veins, a step crucial for achieving a smooth texture that's characteristic of high-quality smokeless tobacco. Next, the leaves are mixed with natural ingredients such as molasses, salt, and water in large, specially designed vats. The proportions of these ingredients are carefully calibrated to enhance the tobacco's flavor and aroma without overpowering its natural characteristics. The mixture is then subjected to a weeks-long fermentation process, during which time the flavors mature and deepen. This slow fermentation allows the tobacco to develop a rich, complex flavor profile that's both robust and satisfying. The result is a product with a distinctive taste that's both nuanced and full-bodied. The tobacco is then precision cut using highly specialized, custom-built machines that operate with surgical precision, slicing the leaves into uniform pieces with incredible accuracy. These advanced machines are capable of adjusting their cutting pattern up to 1,000 times per second, allowing for a level of precision that's unmatched in the industry. The cutting process is tailored to produce a range of products, each with its own unique characteristics. Fine-cut tobacco, for example, is cut into smaller pieces to release a more subtle flavor, while long-cut tobacco is cut into longer strands to provide a more textured experience. The signature original cut is a proprietary blend of cutting techniques and machinery calibration that results in a distinct texture and flavor profile. Each cut requires specific adjustments to the cutting machines, including blade speed, cutting angle, and pressure. The machinery is calibrated to ensure that the tobacco is cut to the perfect specification, resulting in a consistent product that meets the highest standards of quality. The precision cutting process is a critical step in creating a high-quality smokeless tobacco product that delivers a satisfying experience for consumers. The packaging process itself is a precision operation. Each can is weighed with remarkable accuracy, down to 0.01 grams, to ensure consistency across every unit. Beyond the precision, the cans are engineered to lock in peak freshness, preserving both the aroma and taste until the moment they're opened. That distinct snap you hear when cracking one open isn't just satisfying, it's a signal of quality and airtight integrity. Unlike standard aluminum, the metal used here is a specially formulated alloy designed to resist corrosion, prevent chemical interactions, and better safeguard the flavor profile over time. This means the product not only reaches consumers in its best condition, but it stays that way longer, maintaining the same high standard with every can. Quality control is not just a step in the process, it's the backbone of production. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing with state-of-the-art machines capable of analyzing everything from moisture content and density to particle size distribution at a microscopic level. These measurements ensure every can delivers the same consistency, burn quality, and overall experience. Beyond the technology, many leading smokeless tobacco manufacturers employ dedicated panels of expert taste testers, trained to detect even the slightest deviation in flavor, texture, or aroma. This human element adds an additional safeguard, guaranteeing that every product meets the brand's exacting standards. The results speak for themselves. Fewer than 0.1% of all batches produced fail to make the cut, a testament to both the precision of the equipment and the skill of the team overseeing the process. From seed to tin, the journey of smokeless tobacco reflects the best of American craftsmanship and innovation. It begins in carefully cultivated fields where tobacco seeds are planted, nurtured, and harvested at peak maturity. The leaves are then air-cured and aged, a process that deepens their flavor and ensures consistency. Once ready, they're ground, blended, and precisely portioned to achieve the brand's signature taste and texture. Finally, the product is packed into tins engineered for freshness and quality. Every step, farming, curing, blending, and packaging, comes together as a meticulous process that turns raw tobacco into a product rooted in tradition, refined by science, and delivered with pride. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Your input matters. Share your ideas for our next video in the comments, and we'll recognize your contribution. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating stories behind everyday things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, click the next video right here.